Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do? What it do? What it do, man? Y'all see what it says. Say 35, feel like 28. Approximately is 11:44. You see the sun is shining. So it's a pretty good day. But on that note, I'm about to head out to work. I got 2-3 cars to do today. So I'm about to go ahead and do that. It's finna be a day. I will admit that. Definitely finna be a day. Cause it's cold. I'm supposed to really get, and then like I've been showing y'all, the rest of the week looks even worse. So I'm about to get out here, get it cracking. Like I said, I got 2 or 3 cars, depending on how long it takes me to do these few cars. Cause you know when it's having a late start like this and the sun going down soon. So I'm about to go ahead and get out of here. But y'all already know, man. Got the van ready. And peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally made it out here for the day. And when I say it's still cold, but it's trying to warm up, and that's a beautiful thing. But right now we out here in Bellmead, Tennessee, and we working on this GMC Yukon Denali. We already working on the exterior of the car. We're gonna go ahead and get the exterior clean while we still got a little bit of sun shining, you know, take advantage of it. But the interior of the car is really not that dirty. For one, what protects our carpet is these mats. Like I try to tell you, if you don't own any mats, go ahead and buy some mats, man. They really help your carpet stay clean and things like that. But like I said, we're gonna get in here once we're done with the exterior. Get in here, give it a little vacuum. If you see it, got your typical debris, sticks, twigs, you know, little stuff that they leave the car, cups, golf ball. I gotta get out this mat, stuff like that. But car looks pretty good. I do love this tan color. But I love how I got the baseball stitching in the seat. I know I mentioned that last time, but if you look on the seat, it still got stains, stuff like that. So we're gonna get in here, make sure we clean the door jambs, the whole 9 yards that we always do, man. We're gonna probably charge about 125 for the day, but y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I try to tell you, I take pride in whatever we got going on, and I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking. The car is cold, nose running, and I still got one more car to do, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this first car done today. Took us about an hour and a half to get it done, and it's not because it was dirty, it's just how big the vehicle is. When the vehicle is big, you got third row seating, so you gotta make sure you get under all the third row, and then you got all these pockets and things. I know I showed y'all the interior of these cars 1,000 times, and y'all already know these big behemoths of a vehicle take a little bit more time to clean, but we got the whole thing done. She should be super enthused with the work, interior windows, exterior windows, everything. So seats wiped down, everything. So we about to go ahead and head to our next stop. We still got one more stop to go through. It's about 32 minutes from here. Gotta hop on the interstate, stuff like that. But y'all already know how it go, man. You continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. And shit, I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, y'all already know what it do, man. We made it to our last stop, got the car done. It's a it's a BMW X5. It was a basic cleaning, nothing crazy. It was just a little dirty where her son sit at. But other than that, y'all know that ain't nothing else. We really knock stuff out like that pretty easily. But see the sun completely gone. About to go, I'm probably about 30 minutes from the crib. I'm about to hop in the car, head there. But if you see the exterior of the car, it looks good. The interior of the car, like I said, wasn't that bad. So we already got it looking good. Nice vacuum, wipe down the interior. But y'all already know how that go, man. We take so much pride over here. Over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on. Like I said, man, a few videos, maybe recaps next week. It's because I'm not working at all next week. The weather looks terrible starting tonight to Thursday. Thursday will be the next day I work. So I'll probably just recapping a bunch of videos, you know. But other than that, y'all already know how it goes. Stay persistent, stay consistent, stay relentless. Y'all already know you can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And on that note, I'm going to get with y'all later, man. Peace.